shit too late. I never meant to start a war. It was only a matter of timing. I never needed you around in, but we keep running round and round. I've been down there looking for the silver lining, but no matter what we always find it. So maybe you should just get lost.
Need somewhere I can spend my time. Can I spend my dreams with you? Go away somewhere we can hide. Let us sleep since I am chased but not afraid. People misbehave. I'll be waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Should all feel a certain shame. I'm ashamed we cannot change. No one knows what is coming next. One thing's for sure, we're out of time. One thing's for sure.
one day you take me there. Whatever you say, whatever you say.
Didn't I wait for you? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Don't I know that you've explained it? How I should prove myself to you. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to laugh again. But I can't when I'm with you. I need to find my way by myself. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I figured out a way to stay. Didn't I put you first? Didn't I reassure you? Did you ever do those things for me? I don't mind complicated, but the line is crossed, I'm waiting for a sincere apology. But you can't when you're with me, you need to find a way. But you can't when you're with me, you can with everyone else, just not me. I cannot wait until you hear my story. I cannot wait until I burst. If I could have a day without no worries, maybe I figured out a way to stay. Didn't I wait for you, yeah? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? I could. You have high expectations. Oh, I know that you've explained it.